Welcome to the guided meditations with Shree Dembla. This is a space for you to connect with your own self, to connect with your breath. This is a space for you to connect with the Mother Earth, the universe, and the divine energies, to release all the energy blockages that stops you from living a fulfilling and phenomenal life and receiving divine healing and powers from the source, from the universe, from your angels and spirit guides, and so many magical beings that are here to help you. We are about to start a guided meditation. For this meditation, make sure that it is safe for you to close your eyes, as you will be closing your eyes. Make sure that you're all by yourself in a room and you're not disturbed for the next few minutes. You can put your phone on silent mode or flight mode and just sit in a comfortable position. You can listen to this lying down or sitting, whichever way it is comfortable for you. Make sure you have some water near you and you are comfortable. Once you're ready, you can begin. Close your eyes. And with your eyes comfortably closed, just bring your awareness to your breathing. Focus on your breath, coming in and going out. Breathing in and breathing out. Your eyes are closed. Your physical body is beginning to relax. Your mind is becoming quiet and calm. As you are beginning to go deep into a meditation that is very comfortable and very soothing, breathe in and breathe out, bringing in your awareness to your physical body, being present with your physical body right from the top of your head all the way through the body, through the cells of the body, all the way down to your toes, and out of your toes to the Mother Earth, connecting with the Mother Earth. Bringing in the divine, healing, nurturing energies of the earth, all the way up to your feet and through your feet, all the way up through the cells of your body. All the way to the top of your head and out of your head to the universe, expanding your awareness beyond your physical body in all the directions up, around and below. beyond the room you are in, beyond the entire city, the entire country, the entire planet, beyond the entire galaxy and all the galaxies, beyond the entire universe and all the universes. Connecting with the source energy, bringing in the divine white and golden light. Invoking your angels and guides and all the magical beings to come along with you across all the universes and galaxies, all the way to the planet Earth, showering the entire planet with the divine white and golden light, healing the entire planet, all the way through your country, your city, your house, all the way to your room, flowing into your body right from the top of your head, through the cells of your body, and as the divine light pours into the cell of your body, feel the energetic bath, the divine bath. The cells releasing all the energies that are not contributing to you anymore, all the energies that stop you from creating. The future, full of multiple possibilities. The divine light flows through your entire head and the forehead, your entire face, your neck, your throat, your shoulders, just releasing, dissolving, dissipating all the energies that does not resonate with the future you are seeking. Let all of those just dissipate and release, flowing all the way to your arms, your hands, your fingers, your entire chest area, the front and the back, through the spine at the back, the abdominal area, healing the digestive system, all the way to the lower abdominal area, all the way to the genitals, the hips, to the thighs, And as the divine light flows through the cells of your body, every cell of the body rejuvenates. Becomes new, fresh, releasing all the toxins, all the energy blockages, all the vibrations that are not required anymore. Flowing all the way to the knees, the calves, the feet, and out of the feet to the Mother Earth. Creating a huge ball of energy around your body, healing your subtle bodies, your energy bodies, your auric field, releasing everything that does not resonate with the future you are seeking. Creating the divine space for the divine magic to show up. Expand your awareness, connecting with your angels and guides and all the magical beings around you. Asking them to guide you, to contribute to you, to have more clarity, to have more ease with every choice you make, to have more happiness, to have more well-being, and prosperity. Breathe in and breathe out. You can repeat with me. I am an infinite being having a physical experience. I have so many angels and spirit guides and divine magical beings having my back. I'm receiving from the universe, I'm receiving from the Mother Earth, I'm receiving from so many magical energies, I'm receiving from the entire consciousness. I'm choosing to create greater realities for myself and for everyone around, choosing to receive. I'm choosing to have more joy, to have more fun, to have more money, to have more well-being. And as I choose, I receive. I am so full of gratitude for all the forces contributing to me every moment. I am living a fulfilling and phenomenal life. Take a long, deep breath in and let go. Thanking your angels and guides and all the magical beings contributing to you. Thanking the Mother Earth, thanking the universe, thanking the collective consciousness and the source energy. Thanking your breath, your body, yourself. and any and all the beings who ever contributed to you in all the ways they did. Bringing in your awareness to your physical body, right from the top of your head all the way to the tips of your toes. You can move your hands and your feet a little bit. You can rub your palms, put them on your eyes, and slowly and gradually, as you feel comfortable, you can just open your eyes. Take your time and stay relaxed. Sometimes the meditations can be intense only because the energies surfaces up and release. So if in case you are sensing any heaviness or stiffness or discomfort in your body, don't worry. It is all just releasing. Your body may still be processing the release. So just stay relaxed and have some water. The water will help you to detox all the energies that are not required. Remember to journal your experience and also share your experience with me in the comments. Do let me know what other areas of your life I can contribute to through these meditations. This is Shree Dembla, and I'm very happy and humbled to be able to connect you with yourself, with your breath, with your angels. If you're ready to dive deeper into your journey, I invite you to join our free Angels on Earth live workshop. The registration link is below in the description. This workshop is designed to help you align with your higher self and connect deeply with the angelic energies. Thank you. Have a great day ahead. Stay blessed and don't forget to register for the live workshop. See you there.